And welcome to my home. This is the living room where I do most of my living. And right over here is the kitchen. Ah, smells delicious.
I'm going to fart on them.
Oh my god, something smell bad. Do you know what's this smell from?
It was Rosie. And I can hear her laughing right over there.